So this cabinet showed up a few months ago from APC NetShelter. Finally had a chance to open it up. It's huge. In the grand scheme of things though, of course it's not, because this gets mounted to the wall. So you can see it's got these two sets of rails built into it. It gets mounted to the wall like a TV mount. So then you have, if you look at it from the side, you can have up to 6 RU of gear mounted sideways like this inside the cabinet. Here's the front. It's nice and slick. And then you see on the side here, it's got two fans. And you can see these different sides open up for easier access. So you just unlock it, push it in on this, and this whole cover, the front comes off there. So now you have full access inside to the 6 RU worth of gear. You can see here, the things mount just like a normal rack mount. Got screws on either side for a 4-post, or you can just do a 2-post if needed, but you know, hopefully it's mostly 4 posts, so you mount front and back. Just open this up. You can see the fans come right off. So now you have full access here to slide gear in this way. You got RU 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 right here. So again, it's the NetShelter from APC. 6 RU worth of gear, wall mounted with these rails, again just like a TV mount, and all these different panels come off so you can get it to all sides. It's very cool design. Helps you downsize your IT footprint in your remote offices, especially where you don't need a full IT cabinet.